This video I'm going to show you how to download and install Wondershare Filmora on your computer and then get started with it. So if you're new to Filmora, then this is a tutorial for you. Now to get our Wondershare Filmora, first we need to go ahead and just search for Filmora. And from here, you will see the official Filmora website, which is this. Go ahead and click on it and it will take you to this website. Now, before you download Filmora app or video editing app on your computer, it's good to know that they offer various plans. And among them is this free plan that helps you to interact with it and also edit your videos with most features coming with a watermark. So once you get to this official Filmora website, it's time to go ahead and download this video editing tool on your computer. So to download Filmora is quite simple. Just head over to this download option, which is here, and then click on it. This will go ahead and begin the download process. And as you can see, our Filmora video editing app has been downloaded. The next thing we need to do is to go ahead and install it on our computer. To install this on your computer, just go ahead and double click on the setup and then click on yes to begin the installation process. Now here we have to go ahead and install it, but first go ahead and click on this. I have read and agreed to Wondershare privacy and license policy by checking on this box. Then proceed and install it. So the installation process usually takes around 4 minutes, so just be patient as the installation proceeds. And finally, Filmora has been installed on my computer and now I can start. And as you can see, here is the shortcut of this Filmora video editing app. And it is version 14 at the time of recording this video. To get started now, you can just click here to get started, or you can just go ahead and double click on the computer to launch your app. Now we have to go ahead and sign in. You can directly sign in from here, or you can also go ahead and just double click on your Filmora application here to sign in or to create a free account. So that's how you can download and install Filmora on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.